Gongs play a central role in the gamelan orchestra, and the different sizes and tones mark different key points in the repeating musical cycles from which the music is constructed. This is the second smallest gong in our gamelan range, and the set includes a beater and a sturdy metal stand.
This is the Drums for Schools 16-inch gong. Often played as part of a gamelan ensemble, this gong has been handmade by traditional craftsmen on the Indonesian island of Bali. It comes complete with a sturdy metal stand, decorated with the traditional dragons, which are there to protect the spirit of the gong. The gong is played with the mallet that it is supplied with, and you strike the mallet in the middle of the gong on the raised area known as the boss, like this.
The 16-inch 40cm gong set, the second smallest in our range. Made in Bali and includes the sturdy metal stand and beater.